Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, happy Wednesday everybody. Today is going to be a very good video. I am going to be doing a collab with my friend Rebecca from Rebecca's Funland, and I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I'm just going to go with it. It is going to be a roleplay video with Katie and I think her baby Callie, I believe. So yeah, and I'm going to leave her channel in the description if you guys want to check her out and her video. She's a very great YouTuber. She does a lot of good videos. She does make baby alive and reborn doll videos as well. And we have become very good friends on Instagram. We talk all the time and we like to do collabs together. So yeah, we're going to be doing a collab today and I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy, guys. Here we go. Oh, I got the baby wrong. It is actually Naomi. I get them all mixed up sometimes. She has too many babies, so I get them all mixed up, but it's Naomi. Okay, guys, I'm here with Katie at the daycare. I am just filming her today, but she's got on her cute Ariel shirt and pink pants and socks. And today we can't go outside today because it looks like it's gonna rain. So we are gonna have an indoor day, but we got crayons. Yay! We got bubbles for inside. These are the ones she brought. And then we got some books for her. We got this sticker dolly dress up movies. And we got another one for her, unicorn one for her downstairs. And then we got also her coloring books that she brought. This one and this one. So what do you want to do now, Katie? I want to color and then blow bubbles. So you want to color and then blow bubbles? Yeah. Okay. I want to go outside too. Well, we can't go outside today. It's going to rain this afternoon. Maybe after if you're still here, okay? Okay. Okay, so Katie wanted me to pick a page for her to color in this book. This is her jumbo coloring book. It's springtime fun. So she says she wanted to color like a flower or a butterfly or something like that. And I forgot she also has a baby she can play with. There you go, Katie. Whoop! Thank you. You're welcome. You gotta hold her. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, you want me to pick a page? Yeah. Okay. And you can rock your baby in this rocking chair if you want after. It's very old-fashioned. Cool. Okay. So we're going to pick a picture for you to color. This one has already been done. There's one with flowers on it, tulips. My mommy loves tulips. Yeah, that's cool. Well, here's one butterfly. You like that one? Yeah. Okay, let's do that one. Okay. Get your baby over here. I'll put her on the chair for you and she can watch you color. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, what do you want to start with? I want to do... Let's do, my mommy loves orange. You want to do orange? Yeah. This one is orange. Here. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, teacher. Yeah? What would happen if I drank all of these bubbles? Oh, that would not be good. Why? Because, do you ever see Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? No. Well, what would happen is, if you haven't seen it yet, there's a scene where Dopey swallows a bar of soap and he hiccups, and then he ends up hiccuping bubbles. That would be funny. It's not that fun as you think it is. Come on. Can I do it? No. Well, you color in whatever you want, and I'm just gonna go check on the other kids, okay? Okay. Hi, here's a doggy friend at the daycare. Hi. Hi, Chippy. Okay, we're just gonna check on Katie now. And look what I come to. Katie. Hi. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. Did you drink this? Yeah. The whole thing. Now you got hiccups? Yeah. Katie, I told you not to do that. I know. I'm gonna have to call your mom to come get you now. Look, guys, she drank all of it. Oh my gosh. You're probably gonna be hiccuping for hours now. No. Yeah. I'm not going to. Can you sit up? See your picture? Yeah. Look, guys, she did great. But I think I'm gonna have to call your mom now and let you know that you got the hiccups really bad. And I'm gonna have to see if some of the other kids can scare you. Cause this is your first time having hiccups, right? Yeah. Okay, well guys, we'll be back. Her mom's gonna have to pick her up because she's got hiccups galore, so just a minute, guys. Oh no, you guys, what am I gonna do now? I got really bad hiccups. Oh no. I hope I don't fall up. Okay guys, we are home now. Here's Buddy Boy. And so I called the doctor. I was told to pick up, well, first I was called by the teacher. And she said, Katie drank a whole bottle of, bubbles. So she started hiccuping for and she's been hiccuping ever since I picked her up and till now. So why'd you do that, Katie? I don't know. I was just curious. Oh, I see. So I called the doctor on the way home, and he said that there's 2 things to cure hiccups. You wanna know what they are, Katie? Yeah. 1, stand on your head. Stand on my head? Yep. And the second one is you're gonna have to sleep in the scary, dark basement all night by yourself tonight. No, I don't. Yeah, you're gonna have to do that tonight and stand on your head. Or there's another way that we can get rid of them is to scare you. So, which one do you want to do first? Stand on my head. Stand on your head? Yeah. Okay, Katie, are you ready to stand on your head today? Yep. And I forgot to tell you that the doctor said you have to stand on your head and hold your breath too. What? Yep. How can I do that? Well, you just gotta try, and you don't have to hold it too long. Just hold it as long as you can. Okay? Okay. Alright, you want me to count in? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, Katie. Whew. Here she is. She's doing a headstand. You gonna hold your breath now? Yep. She's not very stable. Just hold as long as you can. It's not working, Mommy. No, it's not, is it? No, can I get down now? Yep, hold on. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to get her siblings to scare her, or she's gonna have to sleep in the basement all by herself tonight. No, I don't want to do that. It's scary. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't let you sleep in the basement by yourself. I'm just kidding. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you would do in this situation. And thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.